Hello everyone, this is Pranshi Verma. Welcome to my channel guys. In this video, we will learn about data structure interview questions answers part 2. And part 1 का link आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में प्रोवाइड हो जाएगा guys. So let's get started today's video. But अगर इससे पहले आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस के लिए. Okay, so in this video, question number 11 is what is the difference between push and pop operations in data structure? Answer is push and pop operation specify how data is stored and retrieved in a stack. So one by one बात करते हैं push and pop की. Push specify that data is being inserted into the stack and pop specifies data retrieval. It means that data is being deleted from the stack. Okay, so these are the push and pop operations in a stack. Next question. Write the steps involved in the insertion and deletion of an element in the stack. So, insertion steps in the stacks is also called push operation. So, steps are step 1. Increment the variable top so that it can refer to the next memory allocation. Then step 2 is copy the item to add the array index value equal to the top, and then last step is repeat step 1 and 2 until stack overflows. Okay, so this is the steps about how to perform push operations in stack, and then how to perform pop operation. Steps to perform pop operations are step 1. Store the topmost element into another variable. Second step is decrement the value of the top, and third step is return the topmost element. Okay, so these are the steps for push and pop operations in a stack. What is a postfix expression? Answer is an expression in which operators follow the operands is known as postfix expressions. The main benefit of this form is that there is no need to group sub-expressions in parentheses or to consider operator precedence. Okay, so the expression a plus b will be represented as ab plus in postfix notation. So these are the representation about postfix expression. Next question is write the postfix form of the expression, and expression is a plus b within parenthesis multiply c minus d within parenthesis. So how to calculate postfix form of this expression? So firstly हम वन बाय वन parenthesis को सॉल्व करेंगे. a plus b को हम मेंशन करेंगे a b plus then c माइनस डी सेकेंड पैरेंथेसिस को हम सॉल्व करेंगे c d माइनस, एंड लास्ट में जो मल्टीप्लाई मिड में है वो आ जाएगा इन पोस्टफिक्स फॉर्म में. सो इसको हम मेंशन करेंगे सबसे लास्ट में. पोस्टफिक्स फॉर्म ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज ए बी प्लस सी डी माइनस मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच नोटेशंस आर यूज्ड इन इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ अरिथमेटिक एक्सप्रेशंस यूजिंग प्रीफिक्स एंड पोस्टफिक्स फॉर्म्स? आंसर इज Polish and reverse Polish notations are used in evaluation of arithmetical expressions using prefix and postfix forms. Okay, next question is what is an array? Answer is that is very important question in data structure. Arrays are defined as the collection of similar types of data items stored at contiguous memory locations. It is the simplest data structure in which each data element can be randomly accessed by using its index number. Okay. Next question is how to reference all the elements in a one-dimensional array. It's also an important question in data structure. Answer is it can be done by using an index loop such that the counter runs from 0 to the array size minus 1. Okay. Suppose your array size is n. So counter move runs from 0 to n minus 1. Okay. In this manner, you can reference all the elements in sequence by using the loop counter as the array subscript. Next question is, what is a multidimensional array? The multidimensional array can be defined as the array of array in which the data is stored in tabular form, consists of rows and columns. 2D arrays are created to implement a relational database look-alike data structure. It provides ease of holding the bulk of data at once, which can be passed to any number of functions wherever required. Okay. Next question is, how are the elements of a 2D array are stored in the memory? Answer is, there are two techniques by using the elements of a 2D array can be stored in the memory. Our first technique is row measure order and second technique is column measure order. So in this row measure order, all the rows of the 2D array are stored into the memory contiguously. First, the first row of the array is stored into the memory completely. Then the second row of the array is stored into the memory completely, and so on till the end. In the column measure order, all the columns of the 2D array are stored into the memory contiguously. First, the first column of the array is stored into the memory completely. Then the second row of the array is stored into the memory completely, and so on till the last column of the array. Okay. Next question is, calculate the address of a random element present in a 2D array given base address as BA. यहाँ पर आपको array का जो फॉर्मूला आप न्यूमेरिकल्स में यूज करते हैं रो मेजर ऑर्डर एंड कॉलम मेजर ऑर्डर फाइंड करने के लिए जस्ट वही आपको अप्लाई करना है. बात करते हैं रो मेजर ऑर्डर की. In this, if array is declared as A of m n, where m is the number of rows while n is the number of columns, then address of an element aij of the array stored in row measure order is calculated as. So this is the formula for calculation row measure order. Address of aij equal to ba. Okay, ba was what? Ba stands for base address plus I multiply n plus j and then multiply the size of array. Okay, and how to calculate column measure order? In this, if array is declared as a of m, if a mn, where m is the number of rows while n is the number of columns, then address of an element aij of the array stored in column measure order is calculated as. Address of aij is equal to j multiply m whole bracket then plus I multiply size plus base address. Okay, so in the column measure order, base address is adding into the last, but in the row measure order, base address is adding firstly. Okay, so these are the formula for calculating address of a random element present in a 2D array. Okay, so guys, wind up करते हैं इस lecture को यहीं. This is the data structure interview question answer part 2. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe the channel for more videos and press the bell icons for channel updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next lecture.